Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. Today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most annoying Windows 11 problem out there. You try to reset your PC and you get this message. There was a problem resetting your PC, no changes were made. Let's walk through 3 proven methods, starting with the quickest fix and moving to a deeper repair that actually works. Alright, let's get started. Now, sometimes this error happens simply because Windows recovery environment, also called WinRE, is disabled or corrupted. This is the component Windows needs in order to reset your PC. So let's refresh it. From the taskbar search, let's type cmd and click on Run as Administrator. First, let's disable WinRE. Type this command: reagentc /disable and press enter. You should see operation successful. And now let's re-enable it. Type reagentc /enable. And once that's done, restart your PC and try resetting your PC again. If it still fails, let's move on to the next method. If method 1 didn't work, that usually means Windows is too damaged to repair itself while it's running. So we'll fix it from outside Windows using recovery mode. Let's boot into the recovery command prompt. Hold down the shift key on your keyboard. While holding the shift, click on the start, then power, then restart. And keep holding the shift until you see the blue recovery screen. Now let's go to troubleshoot, then advanced options, then command prompt. In the recovery mode, your Windows drive is not always C, so we need to check. In the command prompt, type this command exactly as I type it here. And press enter. Look for the drive that says Windows or your main system partition. Most of the time it's C, but don't assume, just confirm it. For this example, I'll use C. And now we'll run 2 critical repair tools. The first one is the system file checker. Let's type this command. And make sure the drive letter matches yours. And press enter. And just let it finish. It can take several minutes. When that's done, let's repair the Windows image using dism. Let's type this command. And again, make sure the drive letter matches yours. Once both commands finishes, close the command prompt and restart your PC. Now that the system files are repaired, let's reset Windows the right way. From the blue recovery screen, select Troubleshoot, then reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files or remove everything if that's your goal. Then select Local Reinstall and click Reset. Because we fixed the recovery environment and the system files, this time it should work. Now, if you still get the same error after all 3 methods, then the Windows installation is critically corrupted. At this point, your only real option is a clean install using Windows Media Creation Tool and a USB drive. I left a link to a video on how to do that in the video's descriptions below. If this guide helped you, hit like and subscribe to TechWise and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.